wanted to do a quick video and show anybody might be interested the new Sauer 20 round P365 the BB gun CO2 mag. So I already unpackaged one. Take this one out. But the awesome thing about this, they set it next to one of the older ones. It's a 20 rounder versus the old 12 rounder. So it's got a little longer of a bottom grip area. And so this is the old one. Shows just like the P365, 6-hour P365, the normal with the smaller grip. But if you put the new 20 rounder in it, it extends it to make it feel identical to the P365XL. Now this is my real firearm, 6-hour P365XL. There's an extra mag. So actually the real 12 round mags are actually smaller than even the P365 CO2 mag. But anyways, besides the point. This now feels identical to this. So this is what I shoot all the time. And training with this at home now feels really well. Feels really great. Not well. Feels really great. I have an extra 0 red dot sight that I would like to figure out how to put on there, but it doesn't have a removable plate like it does on the real one to mount it. So I was thinking about, I have a CNC machine. I was thinking about seeing if I could grind that down and attach it somehow, but it's quite a project. So anyways, just going to take this and just lay it over top of the real one. You can see it's the only thing different is, of course, the XL's got that slightly longer barrel, but I use this light, and I mean I bore down my grip on this light. Yeah, I know what everybody's saying. Oh my God, don't mix your real. I know. I'm showing you. I've got it. I'm gonna separate it all again right after this video, but I wanted to show you guys. I was pretty excited. I mean, this thing feels just about identical. That's one thing about these. This button, the mag ejection button, is much more. It's much more sensitive on this. Anyways, I'll go ahead and put the real firearm away. Separate everything again. Just brought that out to show you guys. But I've got a bunch of these types of guns. I'm going to do more videos on them. Green gas, CO2, real guns, electric airsoft guns. But yeah, P365 BB gun, 20 round, 12 round. This 12 rounder in here. So I do have one last thing. I do have 2 of these, because for a while you couldn't even buy a replacement mag to have 2 mags to be able to do practice reloads. So I bought 2 of the same gun to be able to do that. And then actually the mag for the other gun I bought stopped working, so it was kind of disappointing. But anyways, I have 2 now, and they got the 20 round mags available, and they're awesome. Go get one.